Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Arnold. Welcome to PS Fit. We are doing a quick 10-minute core. We're gonna be down on our mat, get ready to feel the burn, but it's fast, so we got this. You ready to go, girls?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, you guys, let's get into it. We're taking it down to our mat. We are gonna start with a little bit of a warm-up core activation, so go ahead and find yourself nice and flat on your mat. Your head is nice and relaxed, hands or palms down on the ground, just right in front of you next to your hips. Feet are planted firmly on the ground, and we're gonna activate that core. Now, as you're laying here, you might notice that there's a little bit of a gap between your spine and your mat. We are gonna fix that now with a 360 breath. I want everyone to inhale with me, and as you do so, your abdomen is going to expand, your belly button is gonna raise to the ceiling. Big inhale, here we go. Inhale, rise. As we exhale, our belly button is gonna push down into the ground, connecting our spine to the floor. Exhale now. Good. As you did that, you might have noticed that your pelvis tilted just slightly to help seal your spine to the ground. Let's walk through that breath 3 more times. Inhale, expand. Belly button to sky. Exhale, belly button to floor. Good. Inhale, expand. Exhale, belly button to floor. Let's get one more in. Inhale, expand. Exhale, belly button to floor. Good. Holding at the bottom of that exhale, you should be able to feel a nice, tight seal from your entire spine all the way down on your mat. We want to maintain that throughout this entire workout. If you ever feel a disconnect, I want you to come back to this breath. Find that deep connection and then get back into it. Good. We're going to start with some glute bridges. We're going to scoop our booty up to the ceiling, vertebrae by vertebrae, rolling through our spine until we reach our peak position. Glutes nice and activated, squeezing together, and slowly roll it back down. Good. Let's run through that a couple of times. Take it up. Good. And hold at the top and release. Good. Let's get 3 more. We take it up and hold. Take it down. Good. 2 more. Up and hold. Take it down, squeezing those glutes at the top. Good. 1 more. Up and hold. Take it down. Tabletop position with our legs. 90-degree angle. Knees and ankles are hugging together. Head is relaxed, hands are down. We have a nice deep connection in our spine. We are gonna pull our knees into our chest, drop them down, and tap those toes. Now, I've got my girls, Terris and Leilani, here with me today. Say hi, ladies. Hey. If you want some modifications specifically for anyone who may be pregnant, you're gonna follow Leilani over here. She is going to be doing just some knee marches on her back, feet planted on the floor, marching those knees into your chest. We are all gonna move together with that first movement in 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Knees to chest, take it down and drop. Good. Knees to chest, take it down and drop. When you're tapping those toes, I want you to be very mindful of any back gap that you're starting to feel on your mat. Do not let that spine peel up. Keep it nice and connected to the floor. Good. Pull it in and down. In and down. Good. Woo. We've got 1 movement that we're going into next. No break. Meet me in tabletop position here. We slowly tap our feet back and forth. Good. If you're with Leilani, you're just doing it nice and slow and controlled. If you want to elevate this movement, go ahead and get your neck off or your head off of the ground and look out towards your feet. Good. Alternating taps. We've got our first 2 movements. We are going to do 3 rounds of those 2 movements. So as soon as this round is up, we're going straight in to those Anita chests. Good. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tabletop. Tuck it in. Take it down and tap. Good. Up, down, and tap. Woo! Good. Feel that burn. You got it.
I feel it already.
I know, I'm feeling it too. It's so good. Feel the good burn. Nice, you guys. Almost there. Woo! Good. 10 more seconds here. Then we're going into those alternating toe taps. Good. In 4, 3, 2, tabletop position. Head elevated or resting on your mat, whatever feels good to you. You set the pace. Good, and we're moving. Alternating toes. Good. 1 more round of both those movements. You got it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Feel that core starting to fire up? We love to feel it.
I feel it in my thighs too.
Oh, good. A little double whammy. I love when that happens. Good. First movement in 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it into that chest. Drop it down. Good. The final round of these movements is going to be tough. You're going to be feeling that burn. Push through. Woo! Good. Good job, you guys. You're crushing it. Keep it up. 15 more seconds. You're almost there. Yes. Woo! In 10, 9, 8, 7, in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tabletop. Drop it down, alternating. Last time, you guys. You've got it. You're already doing it. We're already halfway through this workout. We are cruising through. You guys are amazing. Keep it up. Good. Almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, you guys. Go ahead and find yourself in a nice, just cozy resting position. We're getting into our next set. We've got 2 movements. We're only doing 2 rounds of each of these movements this time, so a little bit quicker pace for this one. Get ready to go. We're starting with some alternating dead bugs. So we're gonna be back in that tabletop position. Everyone is moving the same here. If you're pregnant, these movements are definitely pregnancy safe for you. Our arms are reaching up towards the ceiling. We are gonna release the right leg straight out in front of us while we extend that left arm back behind us, and we come back to a neutral position. Alternating right and left, we're all moving together. Let's go. Take it out, and in. Good, head is resting on the mat. I want you to really pay attention to that spine. Are you feeling a gap and a pop-up between your back and the mat? If so, find that deep connection, pushing that belly button into the ground.
That's a good reminder.
Yes, right? I feel like you forget. You forget that it's starting to pop up and creep open, and you're like, oh wait, yes. Okay, good. Meet me in tabletop in 4, 3, 2, 1. Tabletop, hands on our hips. Toes stay together. We open those knees, we close them. Good. Goal is to keep our toes exactly where they start and just open and close from there. Good, you guys. Those are our 2 movements. We've got 1 more round of each. Also, please make sure that you're not holding your breath, that you are continuing to take those nice inhale and exhales throughout all of this. Good. Back to our dad bugs in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Last time. You got it. Woo! Feel that burn. Core on fire, everybody. I am like starting to get the shakes. Good.
I love it.
Woo! Okay, 15 more seconds here. Woo, woo, woo. And then we're taking it into a side plank. So we're gonna crush those obliques to finish out this workout. Get ready for it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tabletop, knee openers. You've got it. Keep it up. Woo.
My thighs.
I know, I'm feeling it too on this one. I'm like, okay, I didn't think I'd be getting some legs in this one, but we're doing it. We love a movement that activates the entire body, even when you didn't even know it was possible. You're like, okay, wait, I'm feeling this everywhere now. Good, 10 more seconds here. In 5, 4, in 3, 2, 1. Good job, you guys. Alrighty, go ahead and roll over onto your stomachs. You're gonna meet me in a high plank position. We've got 2 movements to finish out this workout, 2 rounds. High plank, we're gonna do some knee to chest. So we're gonna take that right knee, we're gonna cross it over to our left elbow, to our right elbow, kick it back to high plank, and other side. Here we go, we're all moving. Cross, cross, and back. Good. Modification is some nice bird dogs there. Good. And back. Cross, cross, and back. Cross, cross, back. Very good. Good. Almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Go ahead and drop it down to that right elbow. Meet me in a side plank. And we dip it down and up. Good. Down and up. You only have to do it 1 time on this side, so make it your best. You've got this. Woohoo! You guys, we're cruising through this. I'm so proud of you. Get ready to go back to our knee crosses and our high plank in 4, 3, 2, 1. Meet me back up in that high plank position. Good. 1 more time. Cross, cross, and back. Good. Keep it up. Plank is one of my favorite movements. I'm sure you're starting to feel a little bit of fire in those shoulders, all the way down the whole body. Good. You're gonna meet me in that other side, low plank on our elbow in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Let's get onto that left elbow this time. Same movement, last 30 seconds. Here we go. We drop it down and up, down and up. Woo! Good. How we doing, girls? I love a workout on the mat that still gets you fully sweaty, fully shaky. Like it's chill, but it's not chill at all. You guys are doing so good. Good. We're almost there in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I'm feeling sassy. We're gonna finish with a 30-second low plank hold.
Girl.
Modification from the knees, 30 seconds. Here we go. Woo! Final burnout.
Got it.
We got this.
Got it.
It's gonna be so worth it at the end when we feel the satisfaction of crushing this quick workout. Good. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, everybody. Woo! Okay, let's do a quick little stretch out. Go ahead and meet me in a nice cobra stretch. Hands, palms down next to your shoulders. Push that body up to the sky, looking to the ceiling. Woo! Releasing those abdominals. And finding our breath. Good, guys. Okay, push those booties back to our heels. Get a nice child's pose stretch. Feel free to shake it out, go side to side. Just releasing that low back and then any tension that we're holding. Good. Let's go ahead and take one nice inhale, exhale together. We inhale, hold for 3, 2, 1, and exhale, release. Let's do one more for good measure. Inhale, hold for 3, 2, 1, and exhale, release. Oh my goodness, you guys, great job. Wow.
Thank you.
I love a good quick one. Thank you so much for joining us for that here at PS Fit. We had so much fun. Thank you to my girls, Terris and Leilani. We're so grateful you moved with us today, and see you guys next time.